Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I'm so excited because I'm actually going to be unboxing my October IPSY GLAM bag and also my IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. So if you want to see everything that I got, then let's get right into the video. Alright babes, so before we get into the unboxing, I do want to quickly mention that this is actually my first time ever getting IPSY, so I am super excited about that. But with that, I also want to mention that this was actually gifted to me by IPSY, so I did not get to select any of the products that I received in my glam bag. I do know, however, that when you sign up for IPSY, you do get the option to customize some of the products, so I just wanted to mention that. But let's just get into what I received. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the IPSY Glam Bag, which I do know that it is $12 a month. So this is what I received in my bag, and I just have to say I love the little pouch that they send this IPSY Glam Bag in. It's super cute and it definitely fits the Halloween October theme because it's so cute, and on the back it also says your magic, and even the little zipper thing is so cute. It has a little half moon and the star, and inside the first thing that I received is this little quad eyeshadow palette by the brand Illuminati, and I haven't used any of these products, of course, but this palette, it's so beautiful, you guys. Look at the colors. These colors are perfect for the fall time. Let me go ahead and swatch some of them for you so that you can see the pigments. I actually never heard of this brand before. Okay, these colors are actually really pretty. I went ahead and swatched all of them for you guys, and so far they are very pigmented and I love the shades. I think these colors are perfect for the fall time. And just to give you more details, this is actually the Enlightebed quad palette, if you guys want to look it up. Super pretty. Okay, so the next product that I received on my glam bag is the Briogio Farewell Freeze Conditioning Spray, and this is a sample size. As you can see, I actually really like Briogio products. I know that I have tried a hair treatment and I really loved it, so I'm really excited to try this out. And so far that it smells really good, so I would definitely have to give that a try. So next, I did receive two small samples. The first one is by Smashbox, and this is their Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Face Primer. And I do have to say that I really love their face primers, so I don't think I have tried this one. Since I do have combination skin type, I will probably only use this one on my T-zone, but I'm really excited to try that out. The other sample that I received is by Bobbi Brown, and this is their Smokey Eye Mascara, and I actually haven't tried any of their mascaras, but this is what the one looks like. And I actually really like trying out new mascaras, so I'm really excited that this came in the bag, so that way I can try it out. And I did get my last item in the box. This is by the brand Firma, their 103 brush. I will personally use this for contouring or even blush or bronzer, but it also feels super soft. So the last item that I received inside of my IPSY Glam bag, it's actually this Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum, and I don't know, this is actually a very expensive product, so I want to say that this was probably mistakenly placed in this little glam bag, because I do know that this is only $12 a month, and this is actually, I don't know, I want to say, I have to look it up, but I have used their products before and I do know that everything is at least $60, so I actually have to double check for you guys if this is actually an option for the IPSY Glam bag. I don't know why it was placed inside of this little bag, but that just doesn't seem right to me. However, if it is, that is honestly amazing. But I do love Sunday Riley products. I have tried many of their face oils and they are amazing, and I actually really love using retinoid on my skincare routine. This is amazing for anti-aging, wrinkles, and just in general for a better overall look of the skin. So I am really excited to give this a try, and I just love that I got it in my bag. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the IPSY Glam bag to the side, and now let me just go ahead and show you everything else that came in my box. So actually, I'm just assuming that everything else that I received is part of their IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So they did send this little bag that has the same theme as the smaller little pouch. On the back, it also says your magic. So this is actually really convenient to carry products on the go, and at the same time, it does go with the October theme. It does say IPSY right here. It has a little mirror, brush, and it's just super cute overall. So the first thing that I got on my IPSY Glam Bag Plus is actually a candle, and I am such a candle lover. I actually love burning them around my house, and this is actually just an IPSY brand candle, and it doesn't have any candle scent description, but when I smell it, it definitely smells a little bit earthy and woody to me, and the candle is actually black, so it definitely goes with the October Halloween theme. So I'm definitely gonna be using this up, and it's super cute packaging as well. So next up, I just got an IPSY eye mask, and this is actually made out of silk. It's super soft, you guys, and it's just black. Very simple. I love getting items like this in boxes because these come in handy when you want to sleep comfortably, and I just love how simple and chic it is, and I'm definitely gonna be using this for sure. So the next product that I received on my IPSY Glam Bag Plus is the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and I actually haven't tried many products from this brand. I have to say the packaging is super cute, and I can always use more translucent powders for baking or just to set my makeup. It's just a translucent shade, so I'm very excited to try this out. And it's actually a good size. It's almost 1 ounce of product, so this is gonna come in very handy. Alright, so this next product is probably one of the things that I am most excited about, and it's actually the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And I actually own a few of these, and I did not have this one specifically, so I am super excited that I got it in this bag. These colors are perfectly for the fall time, and I love mauve tones in general. Like I said, I do love her eyeshadows. So let me just go ahead and swatch some of the shades for you guys. But this is actually really cool that this is an option. I know that if you were to buy this palette alone, it's gonna cost you, I wanna say around $25 or so. Don't quote me. I'm gonna put all of the details down below. But these are some of the swatches. Super beautiful colors. So all I'm saying is that if you wanted to buy this palette alone, it's gonna be around $25, but this Glam Bag Plus alone, it's about the same price, and you not only get this palette, but you also get other products. So I think that's such a great deal, and these shadows are beautiful. I mean, these colors are perfect for the fall time. I cannot wait to use it, and I'm really happy that I got it. So next up, I got the Filorga Paris Oxygen Glow Super Smoothing Radiance Eye Care. So I am assuming that this is an eye cream or some type of skincare product for the under eye. It sounds like it is something that it's gonna help with glow and just overall radiance and smoothing of the under eye area. So I'm really excited to try it out. I do have to say that I have never heard of this brand before, so I would definitely have to try it out. But that is also why I like subscription boxes, because you get to try out new brands that you probably wouldn't any other way. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. Alright, so next up I have some makeup brushes by the brand Laruce Beauty. This is actually a totally new brand to me, and I just went ahead and take out the brushes so that you can get a better look. But these feel super soft, you guys. So you get 4 face brushes, and I did look up the price if you were to buy this from Laruce Beauty. They are quite expensive, but I am really impressed with how soft they feel. And just if you are wondering, these are actually vegan and cruelty-free and synthetic, obviously. I do have to say that this one would be perfectly for cream contouring, so I'm definitely gonna give this a try. But they feel super soft. Definitely super soft, so I'm gonna be trying those out. But yeah, that is everything that I got in my box. So I am super excited to be trying all of these products out. Once again, thank you so much to IPSY for sending me their Glam Bag and also their Glam Bag Plus. I will definitely be trying everything out, and I just hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.